say hat? Good. Jiggle your ears. Jiggle your ears. Good job. Rub your tummy. Good job. Make a muscle. Make a muscle. Make a muscle. Yeah. How do you say kitty cat? Good. How do you say piggy? Good. How do you say cookie? Good job. How do you say book? Book. Oh, you're so cute.